Introducing the 2020 BMW M4. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The BMW M4 Coupe, the track-ready, high-performance coupe that harnesses explosive power, state-of-the-art style, and intuitive engineering. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, Wi-Fi hotspot. Elegance was never so breathtaking. Drive a racing machine that will leave you breathless. Drive the M4 Coupe.